Hello everybody, welcome to Sanju's English Word. Today's our topic is usage of prepositions. Prepositions are parts of speech. In the parts of speech, one of the topic is prepositions. These prepositions will play a major role or vital role in the usage of sentences or the grammar or the exact position, location of oneself or else any items. So where it is present exact location, if you want to find out, compulsory we require preposition. Preposition will give the complete picture of the sentence or the structure or the story or the information. So without usage of preposition we cannot make the exact location of the present object or the present person. So here I have taken four examples of preposition. Prepositions are many, like on, in, at, for, from, since, behind, beneath, before, adjacent, like that many are there. So in that only few I have taken, that is only four of it, which will be mostly confusing while using the prepositions. So here on, it, in, for, these are the prepositions. Right now I'm using it and explaining it for you. So here one example I have taken, when you are traveling by train. So here the journey is the mode of journey is train. So when someone asks you that where are you, so at that time I'm on the train you should say, but not in the train. Usually we get confused in the usage of these prepositions and use in place on place in. So here where are you means I'm the train, you'll say. And you can ask me a question that in the train, yes I'm inside the train. No, you can say that I'm in the train. No, you should say I'm on the train. So you can use that word I'm inside the train. So somebody one question raises like what is that, where is my train app, it questions you that where are you inside or outside. So outside means on the platform, inside means inside the train. So here what we are going to use, I am on the train, not upon means over the train, but here inside you are there, so you should use the word preposition on the train. I am on the train. You're going by flight, so then you should say I am on a plane. So not I am in a plane, I am on a plane. You're going by bus, I am on a bus. You're going by ship, I am on a ship. So here this is the variation of the prepositions. I am on the train, I am on a plane, I am on a bus, I am on a ship. So here when you go for at, so where are you right now? I am at home. You should not say I am in the home. I am at home. So I am, where are you when you are in the school or university or your workplace? So at that time you should say I am at school, I am at university, I am at work. So I am at home. Where are you means when you are in your house, you should say that I am at home or I am at my house. Okay, I am at home. So when you are in the school, I am at school. Where are you? I am at school. Where are you? I am at university. So when you are doing work, I am at work. In your office, you should say I am at work. So this is the difference you should identify and use it while using the prepositions. So the mode of journey you are using on, and when you are at some place you are using at. So here on and at are the prepositions which are going to be confused for most of the people in the error sentences also. Whenever you are doing any exam or anywhere, even you find that, so what is the preposition you need to use is that I am at home, I am at school, I am at university, I am at work. So on means I am on the train, I am on a plane, I am on a bus, I am on a ship. Okay, so even while you are walking, what you are going to say use is that I'm on my foot. When you are going on your foot, that is walking, you are going to walk and reach your destination point. At that time also you need to say I'm on my foot. That I'm walking, I'm going by walk, you should not say. You should use am on my foot. So this is a usage of prepositions on and at. I hope you understood. Our topic is prepositions. Prepositions plays a vital role in the grammar. So without the prepositional word, we cannot make the complete picture of the sentence. So here two prepositions and another two also I am going to take and explain you. That is in and for. So prepositions are many: in, of, on, adjacent, upon, before, below, beneath. These are many other. In that the most confusing prepositions which always makes you trouble in identifying a mistake in the sentence, that prepositions I am using it in and for in this video. And I am in a car. In when we are using I am, examples I am taking, I am in a car. You should not say I am on a car or I am on the car. So you need to say as I am in a car. If you are at your home, that your house, that is you need to say I am in the house. You should not say I am at the house. So here when you are traveling by boat, the means of transport is different. I am in a boat, you should use. I am in a boat. If you are traveling by taxi, then you should say I am in a taxi, not I am on the taxi. So here I am in a car, I am in the house, I am in a boat, I am in a taxi. This in is showing that the exact location of you, where you are at that present point of time when someone asked you or someone called you. So you need to answer in this way. So you need to identify this type of mistakes in the examination point of view, in the error sentences, wherever the mistake is there, prepositional mistake, you should identify that. Next, for. I am working for YouTube. I am working for YouTube. So where are you working means I am working for YouTube, will say. And she bought, another sentence I am using, she bought a gift for her brother. She bought a gift for her brother. It is giving the exact picture, that location, that where are you working and what type of gift, what gift you are giving, to whom you are giving. So she bought a gift for her brother. And then for example we cook. They cook for 1,000 people a day. So a day. They cook for 1,000 people a day. That means they are cooking. How many people they are cooking? Somebody posed a question for you. So at that time you should say that they cook for 1,000 people a day. So now you are going to have breakfast. So how will you say I am going for breakfast? Where are you going? I am going for breakfast. Someone asked, where are you working or what are you working? So I am working for YouTube. Your answer is I am working for YouTube. And you bought a gift for your brother. So somebody is saying that she bought a gift for her brother. Whose brother is that? Your brother. For her brother. So you have taken one gift. Somebody saw that and saying that she bought a gift for her brother. Cooking. So how many people they are cooking there? 1,000 people. At that time also you need to use they cook for 1,000 people a day. So now I am going to have breakfast now. Now how will I say I am going for breakfast? So you are in the hostel. Now you need to go for breakfast. How will you say I am going for breakfast? Or else you are going to a hotel to have breakfast. So you need to say I am going for breakfast. So in this way the for preposition should be used. Should not get confused with the most confusing prepositions are these only, in and for. Okay, I hope you understood this. You can understand just a matter of 2 minutes. If you focus on it easily you can understand. For how are we using? I am working for YouTube. Which company I am working? I am working for YouTube. I am working for Infosys. I am working for Dell. So like that you can mention your company name. She bought a gift for her brother. Whom she bought a gift? For her brother. Then they are cooking. How many people they are cooking? For 1,000 people they are cooking. And where are you going? I am going for breakfast. Where are you going? I'm going for breakfast. So in this way you need to use the prepositions in and for. Okay, hope you understood this.